folks, my name is Artur. I am the owner of Water Bin, vehicle and trash cans, dumpsters. We also build trucks and trailers here in San Diego. In today's video I want to show you our latest build Water Bin truck for residential customers. Let's go check it out and see all the features. So we use a custom aluminum or stainless steel beds. They are 12-foot beds and aluminum sidewalls. Let's go see what's inside. They have 2 doors. This is for we call them accessible doors, so you can access inside and do all the maintenance, service, whatever you need. So on the right side you can see the 275-gallon tanks, which makes 550 gallons of water. This pipe connect these tanks together, and we have a drain. Also can be used for winterizing in case you live in the North States. This is a 12-volt hydraulic pump using for the lifter in the back. So the driver's side door has access to the pressure scheme. We have a 3 fuel next here, one for the truck, one for the diesel donor, one for the Honda engine. We use a Hydromax pressure skids. It will be a lifter made from Perkins. Can lift up to 2 bins at one time. We have a nice metal frame that holds the lifter. We have a gun holder built inside this frame, and we use a real truck 35 to 50 foot hoses. So what makes us different from other manufacturers is that we use the control panels that we built right here. Take a look. So here we have lights and the control panel for the accessories. This is for the light. We also have a DC voltmeter, so it shows you the voltage in your batteries. We also have 3 wide accessories buttons. In case you want to add a sprayer or the exterior lights, we have these buttons installed. Here we have a lifter control. This can be extended up to 6 foot long if needed. Optionally, we can install the wireless control, like on one of our trucks. Here we have our controls for the Honda engine. So you can adjust the speed here. You can see the hours. You can see the check engine lights if there are any, and you can also start from here. So here you have a pressure gauge showing you the pressure on the high pressure sprayer heads or on your wand. We use so the reason we have this line is in case you have a dual wand operator, or you want to do the accessories like slash sucker, or you want to extend your high pressure line to make a pressure washer. Park your ball valves. This one has an optional stainless steel valves, but usually comes in brass. So this is for the driver's side head, passenger side head, and auxiliary line. Also, this one is for the van in the back. Well, why do you need an auxiliary line? The line is right here. have a nice big storage right in the back of the truck. So it can be used to store your stuff, like your microfiber towels, like your drain or your additional hose. You also have a drain system here, and I'm going to show it to you shortly. So this is the aluminum hopper we make right here. Made of 4-inch aluminum. It has 3 doors, and that you can access the bottom of the hopper to make a cleaning, or if you want to fix the drain. So these arms hold 2 heads. And we also have these nice basket right here for the trash. So at the end of the day, the technician, he just scoop all the trash inside into this basket, grab it with one hand, and just put it to the dumpster, clean it, and put it back. That's it. Here I have a accessible doors, so you can see how the hopper is built right here. We have buffers to prevent water from sloshing inside it, and there's a drain right here. This customer has optional SW60 bond heads, high temperature stainless steel heads, which are the best in the market. We run them at 3000 psi for each head, or if you want to do both heads at one time, it's going to be a little bit above 1000 psi. Let's see.